Welcome Dream Bikes Hub. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is one of the most extreme, high-performance motorcycles in the world, designed for speed, engineering excellence, and advanced technology. This supercharged track-only machine from Kawasaki represents the pinnacle of motorcycle engineering. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a track-only, supercharged motorcycle designed to offer unparalleled performance in the world of superbikes. Launched in 2015, it's part of the Ninja H2 series, which also includes the road-going Ninja H2. The Ninja H2R, however, is purpose-built for closed-course racing. One of the defining features of the Ninja H2R is its supercharged engine. Kawasaki's decision to incorporate forced induction into the motorcycle's design was revolutionary and represents a significant departure from traditional naturally aspirated engines. The chassis of the Ninja H2R is a work of art in its own right. The bike uses an aluminum twin spar frame, which provides an ideal balance of strength and weight reduction. The design of the frame ensures that the motorcycle is agile and responsive, even at high speeds. The Ninja H2R's braking system is equally impressive, with the bike being equipped with Brembo components, including dual 330mm carbon disc rotors at the front. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the design of the Ninja H2R. With its focus on top-tier performance, the H2R incorporates a range of design features that enhance its stability and performance at high speeds. The motorcycle has an aero-optimized fairing that reduces drag. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is the epitome of high-performance motorcycling, blending cutting-edge technology, engineering, and design to create an unparalleled track-only motorcycle. Its supercharged engine, advanced aerodynamics, and sophisticated electronic systems make it an absolute powerhouse in the world of superbikes. While it may not be street legal, the power output of the Ninja H2R is truly extraordinary. It produces a staggering 310 horsepower with ram air at 14,000 revolutions per minute. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.